Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying account and permissions. Make sure Google Photos is updated and signed into the right Google account. Next, open Settings right arrow backup and sync and toggle it on so photos begin uploading. Grant the app access to your device storage and media when prompted, because without that permission, the gallery can't read synced files. Once done, wait for initial backup to begin. You'll see an upload status indicator, while Photos prepares items for sync. Now connect cloud items to your gallery view. On Android, go to the System Gallery app settings and enable options like Show Cloud Albums or Google Photos integration. That makes online albums visible locally. In Google Photos, use Albums' right arrow device folders to ensure specific folders are backed up and selectable. For iOS, enable export or sync from Google Photos into the camera roll so the native Photos app displays images. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and large uploads occur on unmetered networks to save data. Finish by verifying that upload's completed and that gallery shows cloud albums. If new items don't appear, force a refresh. Clear the gallery cache, reopen apps, or restart your device. These quick steps often fix indexing issues. If problems persist, reconnect your Google account, confirm available storage, and recheck app permissions. Finally, toggle backup and sync off then on to restart background upload processes. This resets stalled transfers and usually resolves lingering sync conflicts. So try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.